it's Miss Natalie, and today for Craft with Nat, I am going to show you how to do a quick, easy little craft you can hopefully do at home. So for this craft, you're just going to need a piece of white paper maybe. You're going to need some leaves. So today while I'm filming this, it's actually raining outside. So I'm not going to go outside and get wet leaves. You want to make sure that your leaves are nice and dry for this craft. So wait for a sunny day and you can go outside and maybe get some leaves out of the trees. So I'm just using some cutouts today, but here's my leaves. You'll need something to color with. I've got some markers here, but you can use crayons, colored pencils, whatever you want to use. And you'll need some glue. And out of all of this, I'm going to show you how to make some little art with your leaves, okay? So once you went outside on a nice sunny day and everything's not all wet and you've picked out some leaves, maybe start thinking of what could you make with these? Do you want to try to make an animal out of them? Is there, like could you make boats or whatever you want to create with your leaves? So just start thinking of that and then you can start putting them on your paper. So for this leaf, he kind of looks like maybe a little leaf monster or something. I don't really know what he is. But I just started by making like little maybe fur on him. I gave him an eye, and then I glued him to my page, and then I drew him some feet. And then for this one, I went ahead and glued my leaves on my page first, and then I decided it kind of looked like a butterfly, so I drew a little butterfly in there. Okay? So you can make whatever you want to make with your leaves. Your leaves are whatever colors you can find outside, or if you want to, maybe cut out leaves out of paper if it's rainy like I did. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to make, okay? So you just find your leaves, decorate your page how you want, and glue them on there, okay? I hope this is something easy and fun that you guys can do this fall. All right. Thanks, guys.